Hi friends, Andrea here with a new video working with 3 different card files from Paige's collection. I will be working today with the Rose Wreath, which is the white cut file that you see there. Then I have some two different layered flowers and one rolled flower, the same pattern, and I cut it 6 times. Then I cut one of the layered flowers twice and the other one just once. I'm going to be using an 8x8 shadow box from Michael's stores, and I do like when I work with this shadow boxes, I do like to use them just as a canvas. And I use these pieces to decorate my craft room. So that's what I want to do. It can definitely, this is a design that can easily be cut and created and on a 12 by 12 size. So feel free to do that. I just wanted to make it a little bit smaller so I could use these shadow boxes that I have. I still have 2 left that I don't know what the plan will be, but this is just a start for me. So I'm keeping that first cut file in place after some stitching. Now I'm rolling those flowers, assembling the layer flowers as well, and then it will be just a matter of placing everything in the right place. The layered flowers also come with the leaves, so feel free to use, I kept and cut multiple times just one of the patterns, one of the leaves that I'll be adding also with my flowers to get more color. Didn't want to stay in place, so what I end up doing is I found a small circular punch and I cut a few circles that I used for the base of those flowers. Okay, the rolled flowers are ready. Now it is time to assemble the layered flowers, just giving them some dimension there. And I used 2 different pattern papers for these flowers and some Truly Grateful wooden brads for the center. So these, as part of the cut file, you do get there's a different piece that you can cut to go in the center of the flower. But I still have a lot of wooden brads from Paige's Truly Grateful collection, so I decided to use those. They go really, really well. Got that, and it is now time to start put all those flowers in place. I think at this point I'm only testing and seeing where everything's gonna be. I will have a photo. So I'm leaving a white border on the photo, then I'll get a gold border and then a pinkish one. You can see me moving the flowers, but trying to remember where everything is gonna go. Now some double-sided tape on the back of this, and then it goes straight onto our canvas. There we go. Now shaping this leaves. I will not end up using them all, but I just had different shades of green. So I wasn't sure in the beginning if I wanted my photo to be in the center or towards one of the sides, but definitely the definitely the center. And now it's just a matter to start placing those flowers. I'm adding now some additional brads around that cluster, additional leaves. All right. It's time now. I'm using this foam Bloom Street foam alpha stickers to put together my title. Okay, and that is basically it. I think I come now with a few enamel dots just to finish the project. There is no journaling on this page. This is just the piece that I have to decorate the room, and it's basically just a reminder. What I needed was that title and those pretty flowers and pretty colors that inspire me on a daily basis and that make me love sitting in my craft room and creating. So I hope this inspires you to go ahead and play with some dimension and texture with these world flowers. As I said, this can easily be made as a 12 by 12 layout or a piece of art that you can put in your room as well, or add some journaling and have it as a layout, the cover of an album or something like that. Just let me know if you use them and what you create with these cut files. You can find all of the links below. This was Andrea for you today, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.